In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take partial profit in TradingView. So the first step is to connect your broker. Now, as you can see, I'm paper trading. Then on the right side, we have the order type, so we can sell or buy. And then we have this option, which is take profit. So we can set when to take profit and when to basically set the stop loss. But as you can see, we have another option, which is add level. So we can set here take profit price, so we can add multiple take profit prices. So let's say we want to take profit at 275. So we just have to click on confirm, and then we just have to add another level. Then let's add 276. So basically we can set here different take profits, and this will partially take profit for us, so we don't have to do that manually. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.